Have you seen this? The Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth System, a so-called 90-day miracle serum that claims to block DHT, regrow lost hair, and restore your confidence. All with something they call micro-infusion technology. But is this really science? Or just smart marketing? Let's find out. Welcome to Mango School, where we expose the truth behind viral health and beauty products. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're tired of online scams. Alpha Infuse markets itself as a science-backed breakthrough for men and women dealing with hair loss. The company says it contains licorice root extract, ginger root, black sesame, and citric acid, all working together to stop DHT, repair follicles, and regrow hair. They even promise visible results in just 90 days, with no harsh chemicals or side effects. Their ads show thousands of so-called happy customers, glossy before and after photos, and glowing testimonials. But here's the first red flag: there's no published research or medical backing to prove any of these claims. Let's break down what's inside. Licorice root and ginger are known for improving scalp circulation. That's fine, but it doesn't regrow hair. Black sesame might provide nutrients for hair health, but again, no evidence it reverses baldness. And citric acid? That's mainly used for pH balance, not hair growth. So while these ingredients sound natural and harmless, they're not clinically proven to stop hair loss, especially not by blocking DHT, which is a hormone issue that requires real medical treatments. Now to the reviews. Many users online claim fast shipping, nice packaging, and even early results like reduced shedding. Others praise their customer service for being helpful and responsive. But some people have reported difficulty contacting the company and trouble getting refunds. That's often a pattern with these viral hair serums. Lots of early hype, mixed real-world results, and little transparency about who's behind the brand. Dermatologists and trichologists agree. If a product truly blocked DHT and regrew hair in 90 days, it would be a global medical breakthrough, not a social media ad. Clinically proven treatments like minoxidil and finasteride exist for a reason. Anything else making huge claims without peer-reviewed studies should raise questions. So, is Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth a miracle or marketing hype? Our verdict: it's more clever branding than scientific reality. While it may help with scalp nourishment and mild shedding, there's zero proof it can regrow real hair or block DHT. Have you seen or tried Alpha Infuse yourself? Drop your experience in the comments. Your story could help someone else. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe to Mango School for more honest reviews and scam investigations. See you in the next one.